Planning a Cinco de Mayo party and want your table to steal the show? Curious how to mix Mexican tradition with modern flair? Not sure which colors, textures, or elements will make your tablescape pop? Looking for simple ideas that won't break the bank but still look incredible? Need inspiration for centerpieces, place settings, and finishing touches? You're in the right place because today, we're diving into the most creative and festive Cinco de Mayo table decor ideas to help you bring the spirit of the celebration to life, right at your table. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What are the essential colors for a Cinco de Mayo tablescape? Bright and bold is the way to go. The traditional palette includes red, green, and white, reflecting the Mexican flag, but you can also weave in festive tones like yellow, orange, turquoise, and hot pink. Use colorful runners, napkins, and plates to layer in these hues. If color is your thing, give this video a like to show your festive side. What makes a great centerpiece for a Cinco de Mayo table? Vibrant floral arrangements in terracotta pots or painted jars work beautifully. Add touches like mini piñatas, cactus plants, or colorful fruits like limes and oranges in a bowl. For a fun twist, try combining candles with chili peppers or papel picado as part of the design. Comment below with your favorite centerpiece idea. We'd love to hear it. How do I create a festive table runner or cloth? Use a Sarape blanket or Mexican-style woven textile as a runner for instant color and authenticity. You can also layer patterned napkins or bandanas across the table for texture. Even inexpensive fabric scraps can bring in flair when styled creatively. Save this tip for your Cinco de Mayo planning board. What should I use for place settings? Opt for colorful dishes and mix-match ceramics if possible. Clay or talavera-style plates, vibrant napkin holders, and personalized name cards add a thoughtful touch. You can even tuck a mini maraca or papel fan into each setting as a party favor. Share this video with a friend who loves setting the perfect table. Are there traditional items I should include in the decor? Yes. Incorporate elements like sombreros, small bottles of Mexican soda, or Jarritos, maracas, and papel picado cutouts. These add cultural flair and act as instant conversation starters. Don't overdo it, just sprinkle them tastefully across the table. Let us know which traditional items you'll be adding this year. How can I make my table decor budget-friendly? Use what you already have: bandanas, mason jars, potted succulents. Dollar stores often carry faux flowers and colorful plasticware. DIY mini signs or paint your own terracotta pots to personalize your setup affordably. If you love saving money while decorating, give this a like. What drinks or glassware can add to the theme? Margarita glasses, colorful tumblers, and hand-painted shot glasses for tequila tasting stations are great additions. Serve drinks with striped paper straws, citrus garnishes, or use mini drink umbrellas to make it festive. Planning a drink setup? Leave a lime emoji in the comments. Can I incorporate food as part of the decor? Absolutely. Use bowls of chips with colorful salsa dishes, layered desserts like tres leches in jars, or even taco stands right on the table. It's practical and decorative, especially when arranged artfully. Let your food double as decor. Share this idea with a party host. What lighting works best for a Cinco de Mayo dinner table? Go for warm lighting, string lights, tea candles in mason jars, or small lanterns. If you're outdoors, tiki torches or LED fairy lights wrapped in picado can add a magical touch. Keep it cozy and festive. Planning an evening fiesta? Give this tip a thumbs up. How do I style the kids' table differently? Use colorful plasticware, mini sombreros, coloring sheets with Mexican motifs, and mini piñatas filled with candy. Keep the setup playful and safe while still tying in the overall theme. Hosting little guests? Comment kids' table and we'll send more tips. What's a quick last-minute decor idea? Drape a colorful scarf or sarong as a table runner, use citrus fruits or fresh herbs as centerpieces, and throw down a few bright napkins. In 10 minutes, you've got a complete look. If this saved you time, don't forget to hit that like button. Can I make custom table labels or menus? Yes. Print or handwrite fun menu cards or food tags using fiesta-themed clip art and bright paper. Add little touches like papel picado borders or chili pepper stamps. It adds charm and lets guests know what's being served. If you love custom details, drop a yes in the comments. Decorating your Cinco de Mayo table is all about color, joy, and creativity. Whether you're going bold with traditional elements or putting your own modern spin on it, the key is to have fun and celebrate the rich culture behind the occasion. Use these tips to wow your guests and set the tone for a truly memorable fiesta. Thanks for watching. Celebrate colorfully, decorate thoughtfully, and we'll see you next time.